Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Google Chrome Auto Close Windows 11. Open the File Explorer. There, open the C drive and then open the folder Program Files. After this, in the Google folder, access Chrome, then open the folder Application. Now select the Chrome executable and click on Rename. Enter the new name and in the pop-up window click on Continue. Then right-click on the executable, click on Show More Options and on Send to, select Desktop, create shortcut. Now it is possible to open Chrome from this access without it closing by itself. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.